with another video. Today we are gonna have a NERF Gun Showcase. So yeah, but the first thing I want you guys to do is to subscribe to my channel and like the video or dislike it if you feel like it. And then subscribe with the notification bell. And then comment down below what you like. So yeah, that's all that I want. And yeah, here we go with the showcase. You are gonna have to stay there for a second. Gun. I'll show you the next one. So next we got this gun. And well, it's missing, it's like, I'd call it a silencer, but it's not really silent. But yeah, it's missing that. It goes like this to shoot out. It stuff right there, and it's got this back thing, so you go like put it on your shoulder like this, put your bullet in. Well, it's not stopped, as you can see. It's not really filled with bullets, but you just fill this in. Actually, watch this trick. Nope, watch this trick. See that? And you fill it up and shoot if you wanted to. And yeah, this is called the Spectre REV/5. I don't know how to say it. Not sponsored by NERF, sadly, because well, these are NERF guns, but not a sponsor. Please sponsor me, NERF. Next gun. Alright, as you can see, we got this spectacular big gun. And right here is a silencer. It doesn't go to the previous one. This is where the bullets come in, so you can take out the pack. Ow, that hurt. And it's got bullets in. And so you slide this in like this. Cut out like that. Sorry about the big noise. And you can like, this is like where you put the bullets in and then you go, not put the bullets in. It's where you shoot. You go right here and then go back here and then here, and you can shoot like that. It had a scope, but it's gone. It had something that gun in between right here, which was another pack like this right here. And it had I'd call it like a laser vision thing. I don't know. Sorry, NERF, if you're seeing this, sorry about this. And this is called the Scavenger. And it has this also like back part right here where you can put another gun here. And once this runs out, you can go like, and then just drop that. This is probably the biggest gun I have. And so, yeah, let me get the next one. Look at inside of there, though. Ain't that scary? Now, we have something that isn't from NERF, but so we have something that's not from NERF. It's from Adventure Force. You have these team things like you can put blue, red, green, and you put this, slide this in, put your balls in here. I'll cut that out, and then you put the balls in there, and then close it, and then it's like a shotgun. As you can see, you can go like, you can pull it back like a shotgun and shoot. And I lost my other bullet. That was a long bullet. Oh, but yeah, let me get another gun if we have some more. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. This is part 1. There's going to be a second part with more guns. If you like the video in the bottom part, or dislike it. Tell me what you liked or did not like in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next NERF Gun Bullet. I'll see you in the next video, sorry. Goodbye!